Welcome to my channel. Please help support my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Today's topic is on the request of a subscriber: how to clone your MAC address. First of all, what is a MAC address? It stands for Media Access Control, and it's a unique identifier also used for communication of devices over the network. So, for example, if you got a computer, a PC, a laptop, a smartphone, a router, all these devices have internally a MAC address together with an IP address, and they communicate over the network. It's also known as a hardware address. So, why would you want to clone your MAC address? For example, if we had a wireless network which was secure with a password, and the administrator wanted to notch up the security even more, what he would do is find out the MAC addresses of all the devices that would be using that network. For example, if you're at home and you got, say, a PC, a laptop, a PlayStation, what you would do, you would get the MAC address of all these devices and configure them in the actual router. So if anyone did break your password, your Wi-Fi password, and try to connect onto your network, the router would drop them packets unless the MAC addresses were matched from within a list in the router. So this is another form of security. So anyway, let's show you how to change your Mac. The first thing we're going to do is make this screen bigger. Okay, the first thing you will need is some software called macchanger. So if you don't have it, this is how you get it: sudo apt install macchanger. Okay, as you can see, macchanger is already the newest version. I already have it, but obviously if you don't have it, you just follow the instructions and install the software. The very next thing you want to do is bring up your interface, and to do that you type in the following command: if config, and this basically prints out all your interfaces, and the interface we want is this one here. Okay, you can say this is my internal IP address with a subnet mask, broadcast address, etc. Okay, what we're going to do now is use the macchanger command. Now, in order to see what our MAC address is, we type the following with the S flag to show, and then we need to put in the interface name. Enter. So here you are. My current MAC address is this, and my permanent MAC address is also the very same one. Okay, so the next thing we want to do in order to change our MAC address is to first bring the interface down. So we type in the following, and then the name of the interface, and then down. Okay, sorry, we're gonna have to do root privilege. Okay, so now my interface is down. So say now we want to put another MAC address. What we would do is this: the R flag, which stands for random, so it's just going to make a random MAC address up and allocate it. And now the interface name. Enter. So here you can see this is my current Mac, my permanent Mac, which obviously they're both the same, and this is the new MAC address that is randomly created. So this is what my MAC address is on at the moment. So say now we wanted to specifically manually type in a MAC address. You could do that with the following: M flag, and just here you would just type in your MAC address and then the interface. But obviously I'm not going to do that. But that's how you would do a manual specific MAC address. Okay, now to restore your permanent MAC address, you would do the following and use the P flag for permanent, and then just type in your interface. Enter. Now, as you can see now, my current Mac was previously my, which was previously my new Mac, and now this is my permanent MAC address, and my new MAC address now has obviously switched to my permanent one. So this is how you maneuver it about. And the last thing, well, the next thing you would do is to bring the interface up. Whoa, config, then the name of the interface, and then just type it up. Oh, okay, sorry. Root privileges again. Okay, now the interface is up. And the very last thing you would do is restart the network manager. And this is how you restart the network manager. Service. Okay, obviously I'll just cancel it now, but you get the picture. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate your support. Also, if there's anything else you want me to cover, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to address it. Thank you very much.